Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2013 Toyota Sienna equipped with the BraunAbility rear entry power ramp. To operate the ramp, you'll use your key fob to hit the rear hatch button here. This is going to open it up and deploy out the ramp. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. So this ramp here is going to be 32 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 56 inches. Back here you will have the wheelchair user. This one is also going to come with a set of retractable straps, and it is the long cut conversion, so if you fit in between those two seats you can have two wheelchairs at the same time. And this van here only has 61,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. You'll use your key fob once again to hit the same button here. This is going to bring in the ramp and close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 61,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera and navigation. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.